Hi guys, today we are going to unbox in my soundbar. So I placed an order for this item in the first flash sale. So this is the box. Okay, inside the box we have the installation guide, and this is SPD. Yes, it is. This one, let me check what is that. This is SPDIF cable, and this is wall mounting screws, and after that we have an AC adapter, and AC adapter is around the 16 watts 2.5 ampere, and after that we have the soundbar. Okay, there is the soundbar. In the box. Yeah. So this is the soundbar, guys. You can take a closer look at it. See. And it's fully white. I don't think they have released a black version. It's mostly in matte gray.
So it looks like a 3 feet, right?
It's like 3 feet, and so there is a volume control remote. So if we have to change, they didn't give any IR remote. Probably we need to.
If you want to change the volume,
probably we need to reach to the speaker and change the volume.
what are the buttons?
And so we have few input devices here. So we have few inputs here. So this is 3.5 mm jack, and this is AV audio, AV cable connectivity, and this one is SPDIF, and then this is optical. So this is very useful. This will transmit very high quality audios if you have some input. And this is actually the power cable, goes through here, and this is the power button, and pretty much it for the input and volume. This one is a Bluetooth toggle button, and this one is audio video and line in, SP diff and optical. So let's give it a test now. So we connected the power adapter, and it has 8 sound drives, so 2 for tweeters and 4 for radiators, and 2 bass for bass. So let's connect the Bluetooth, and I'll do some music test. So the connecting to Bluetooth was pretty easy. So I just pressed this button, and I clicked on pair new device, and I found the device, and I clicked on that, and it just got connected. So it's pretty much easy. So let's play some music now. We are playing some song now, so let's see how sound effects are. So I'm trying to increase the volume. Let's play some other song.
I missed the day,
Okay, guys, my feedback is it's pretty good. I mean, it does not have any bass control or any control kind of stuff. We just the only control what we can do is we can increase the volume and decrease the volume. We don't have any equalizer or anything. Probably we can do from the software side, but from the hardware side they didn't MI didn't provide anything. So it's so I purchased this for 4,999, so it's around 5,000. So it's a flash sale, so they sell weekly once. So all the links will be provided in the description. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.